Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to check Snapchat number. So for this, the first step is to open the Snapchat app on this iOS device. So from here you will just go on the top left corner of profile icon of avatar. So from here you will just a little bit scroll down. So you will have to move back. So from here you will just scroll down and tap to my friends. So from here you will count one by one. So you will have to count one by one. So that is the Snapchat numbers of your friends. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.